Swiggy is giving free Valentine gift for all. Let's check out. Yes, interested? Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes. Here goes some of the items I have ordered on Swiggy. As I'm unpacking them, I tell you there are more discounts than ever. You check out, as you see in the picture, this red velvet cake. I've got it for just 36 rupees, 200 grams. And biscuits and namkins, you're getting it 50% off. You check out. I'll show you how to see the top deals in the later part of the video. And now coming to free gift. As you see in the picture, I have placed an order on Swiggy Instamart to get free gift. I'll share you all the details of minimum order you have to place in order to get free gift and the code you got to apply. Okay, now it's time we check out Swiggy Instamart free gift. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, here comes Swiggy Instamart free gift. This is Hershey's Kisses hazelnut and cookies. This is Swiggy's Valentine's gift for all of us. It comes in 33 pack grams. Costs 55 rupees and it is a sample pack. As we are unpacking it, you can see chocolates inside. Pretty excited, right? So here you see a handful of chocolates. As we all know, Hershey's is a pretty good brand, and the chocolate here comes is also super good, and nuts goes into it, giving a nutty flavor. It has got Cadbury texture as well. It melts in your mouth. So here ends the chocolate gift from Swiggy. Do enjoy. As you see in the picture, this is one of the gifts offered by Swiggy, but it's location specific. You just got to apply free pudding to get this free gift while placing the order. Okay, now we'll check out how to place an order if you want a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy. Right on the home screen, you see Swiggy Instamart. Click on that Instamart. Scroll down. As you scroll down, you will come across Offer Zone. You just click on that. Click on Offer Zone. You see all the top deals right over here. Here you can select your category, and if you want biscuits and namkins or any other grocery, you can check out. Here I have got biscuits and namkins at 50% off. Now add to the cart whatever the products you want. Add minimum 1000 worth items to the cart if you want a free gift. After adding all the items to the cart, click on View Cart. You see all the items that were added to the cart. Scroll down and you see View Coupons and Offers. There you'll find Free Kisses coupon. Just click on Apply. That's it, done. Your free gift is added to the cart. Now click on A and check whether the free gift is added along with the items you're going to order. Just scroll up and see whether it's been added or not. So here you can see sample Hershey's Kisses. Now you can click on Proceed to Pay and place your order. That's it, done. After placing the order, you can check out free gift and all the items in total and a number. So here comes Swiggy Valentine free gift. Did you like? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a pretty good chocolate day.